This is Tony Montana's place, for sure.
Say hello to my little friend.
Sandy, what's for dinner tonight?
Pizza, actually.
Oh, and what are we going to have on the pizza? What kind of pizza?
Well, it's gonna have a little red sauce, cabbage, green beans, the leftover collard greens, and I think cheese.
Masterpiece. What do you got here? This looks like pizza. What is this?
Egg.
Egg? So you fried egg and put it on pizza?
You asked for it.
I know, and it looks great. What's the mustard for, though?
Just in case if you want to put it on. I don't know.
Yeah, I don't think so. I don't think mustard goes here. I mean, ketchup would have gone with, but this looks great. Wow. That's fabulous. You did a great job, dear. Love you.
Thank you.
You know,
that's it.
You know, this is as close as we get all day because we're, traveling and there's things to do and whatnot. This is great for me. I get to cuddle. I'm a cuddling type of guy.
I prefer to be on the side.
And Sandy is definitely not a cuddler. I don't know what the hell's going on, but
yeah,
that's the way it is. We just anchored here at Boca Raton, and it's kind of an early day for us. We've never anchored this early yet.
No, actually, it's usually closer to 5 o'clock.
The dark.
But yeah, it's nice. 3:15, 3:30.
Listen, we're on our way down to Fort Lauderdale. We're not very far from Fort Lauderdale, but we couldn't have made it tonight.
No, definitely not.
So tomorrow it'll be a short day. We'll head over to Fort Lauderdale, and then hopefully the weather will be good the following day to go on the outside, do some sailing, and get down to the Keys. That's where we're headed, down to the Keys right now. So we'll talk to you soon.
Have a great day. Enjoy. I'm loving the sun on my face.
Yeah, drinks.
Cheers.